Ever wonder what to do with salad shrimp? Well, if you like shrimp and grits for your breakfast item, this is a perfect, fast, instant kind of breakfast. You can make your original grits if you want to, but if you're pressed for time, you want a quick breakfast with some protein in it, take about a cup or however many shrimp you want in your grits. And I use the Quaker Instant Cheddar Cheese Grits. These guys are awesome. And so you put the grits in the bowl. You put your water for your grits, a half a cup, in your microwave for 2 minutes to get to a boiling status. And then you use one of these little strainers here to strain off your shrimp. But before you do that, you take your frozen shrimp, you put them in a bowl, cover them with water, then sprinkle a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. And as they thaw, that seasoning will go into the shrimp. Then, you want to drain this off. So I use my handy little strainer here. Let's see if I can do this without making too big of a mess. And drain them this way. With a little, just drain the water off. You can save that water for another batch if you want. Say you're making I'm just doing this just for myself. So I've got my water that I took it out of the microwave. 2 minutes to boiling point. Slowly stir that water in there. Get it good and mixed up. And it takes about 30 seconds or so to set to where I like my grits not too runny. So sometimes I use a little less than a half a cup. And there's a lot of moisture in the shrimp anyway. So I'm going to stir that in. I'm going to stir this up real good, get all the little lumps that sometimes pop up. And like I said, you can make your cheesy grits ahead of time. If you're going to make cheese grits from scratch, you make your grits plain, and then you're going to put into it a grated cup of cheddar cheese, or whatever cheese you like. You can put American cheese in there if you want, if you just want a regular cheesy kind of flavor. And these are already setting real good. And the shrimp are already pre-cooked, which makes it a lot easier. You just stir that up. Just like that. Now, I don't have any green onions. Normally, I add some chopped up green onion to this, which gives it a little bit more of a pop. You can add little pieces of red pepper if you want. And you just take your shrimp, throw it in there. And I stir the shrimp into it so that it gets good and stirred in there. Now, I like my food hot, temperature-wise. And spicy. But for this one, I didn't put in the red peppers. You can put in flaked red pepper if you like. I'm going to stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. And it'll be the temperature that I like. And let's see. 30 seconds is a long time when you're waiting for it, isn't it? May not even need 30 seconds, 15 seconds might do it. Because you don't want to overcook the shrimp that's already cooked. But 30 seconds is a good number. You take that bowl out. I give it one more stir. Make sure it's and get these lovely cheesy shrimp grits. This is yummy. You taste the cheese and the Old Bay seasoning in there. So if you want a quick shrimp and grits kind of breakfast, throw in some chopped up green onion on there. If you want it hot and spicy, throw in some chili powder or even some crushed red pepper. Hope you've enjoyed this quick little breakfast trick with the Quaker Instant Grits. And there she is. Enjoy!